Soda ash, also known as pure dense sodium carbonate, is a mild alkali that enables a chemical reaction between the dye and the cellulose fibers at a lower temperature than other dyes, causing them to become one and the reason why fiber reactive dyes are so permanent. Dharma fiber reactive dyes must be fixed with soda ash on cotton and other cellulose fibers. Wear at least an N95 dust mask when mixing the powder, gloves, and eye protection. The soda ash solution is mildly caustic and can irritate your skin. Avoid contact with your eyes and do not inhale the dust. Ideally, first pre-wash garments in hot water and Dharma's dyer detergent to remove any oils, dirt, or anything else that might resist the dye. Use 1 cup of soda ash per gallon of water as a pre-soak when tie-dyeing, adding the powder to warm water while stirring until fully dissolved. A pH of 10.5 to 11 is ideal. If you don't use enough, the dye won't yield full strength. Fold and/or tie the garment into the desired pattern. Soak the tied garment for around 5 to 15 minutes. A gallon will soak 10 to 12 adult extra large tees. Squeeze out the garment so it's damp but not dripping. You can reuse the solution until it's gone. For more defined patterns, soak the unfolded shirt for around 5 to 15 minutes and squeeze or spin out the excess water before folding. If opting for this method, always wear gloves while folding. The Nina spin dryer is a handy way to get the extra soda ash water out, which you can then add right back into your solution. After thoroughly rinsing and washing the fabric to remove any excess unfixed dye and soda ash, the fabric becomes safe. Individuals with chemical sensitivities can usually wear it without issue, as the dye will not come off. Other dyes may still transfer.